Your clients have a lot on their minds, and sales tax is low on the list. After all, they're working from everywhere. They manage remote teams, sell their goods and services all over the web, and are pivoting to keep up with our modern business world. Due to complex laws and recent changes, how your clients are running their businesses today could have significant sales tax implications. And that's where you come in, their accountant and trusted advisor. With your expertise, clients can understand their sales tax exposure and navigate what to do next. But manually determining nexus across U.S. jurisdictions can take significant time and resources. LumaTax powers sales tax advisory services in your practice. LumaTax measures your client's sales tax exposure with a short set of questions. We call this the LumaTax Compliance Score. If a client has a low score, upload order data from wherever they sell, and LumaTax will organize and consolidate it. Then, LumaTax automatically performs a state-by-state nexus analysis and generates a comprehensive report. This report, combined with your expertise, helps you advise your client and take action. Schedule a personal demo to learn more.